How long's it counting down? Is there a time on there?
No.
It's funny, that should be QC, isn't it? What is going on here?
Oh, now we've got gridlock because this guy's trying to turn right.
That is the worst looking BMW of all time.
Oh yeah, the 3 Series.
Compact.
No, do you know what, sir?
It's a Vauxhall
You're
Astra.
welcome, mate. Is that a van coming this way? You horrible, horrible person.
Is that a water tower? It'd be miserable on the drive.
It's raining. Sweet, so it's been a few weeks since we released our last video, with a lot of stuff going on in the background. But we are now here today, as you can see at Rubber Brothers. They've offered us a reasonable discount to do some stuff, so we're going to go get some parts. So let's go. Let's roll.
A few moments later.
So back in the unit, back in the motor club, obviously all the parts that we picked up that you saw us putting in the car are here now, some of them out of the boxes. So what have we got? We've got new springs, new shocks, we've got pretty much everything needed to service the engine, all the fluids, we've got plugs, fuel hoses, a load of new fuel stuff, filters, and obviously you saw us in a previous video taking off the, what is called it, Christian?
Master cylinders.
Master cylinders, I forgot them. Taking off the master cylinders for both the brakes and the clutch, and they're going to be replaced as well. We have got a little bit of a surprise coming up in another video that's going to help us out a lot with all of the rot and everything we've got in this shell, so stay tuned for that. If you'd like to donate to the charity directly, then QR code as always will be on Christian's head. Move it around here, so.
Yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, right, to keep up to date with what we're doing.
Thanks for watching, and join us on the next video.